In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem with Google's homepage not working in Firefox on an Android device. So let me give you a quick example. So yesterday, Firefox and Google's homepage was working perfectly fine up until about the middle of the afternoon, and then it just stopped working completely. And after doing a search online, it seems to be affecting the majority of Android users. So from my homepage, if I tap on the shortcut, it should bring up the Google search page. Instead, it just brings up a completely blank white page. Even if you type in the search box up here or delete some of this information, it still brings up a completely blank page when you go to Google. You can still use the search facility by just using the search box at the top and just type in your search term. You can also choose different search engines if you want to. But if you want the old search engine back, there is a temporary fix. It's not a perfect fix, but it's close to what you had originally. So what we need to do is, from your home page, go to the top right hand corner and tap on the three dots. Then select settings from the list. Then from there, go down towards the bottom, and under advanced, we have the add-ons option, so select that. And then again, we go down towards the bottom. We're actually looking for a program called Google Search Fixer. Sometimes it can be found on this list. If not, tap on Find More Add-ons, and you can use the search facility and just type in Google. And it should come up. So it's called Google Search Fixer. So this will add this to your Firefox browser, and it will kind of behave the same way as the Chrome browser behaves. So it's not perfect, but it's a decent fix. So select Add to Firefox, select Add, allow in private browsing if you want to, click OK. So that's now been installed. If I go back to my home page and I tap on the Google shortcut, this time it now loads as normal. Unfortunately, you get all these trending searches. So when you type in the box, you get all these searches. You can actually get rid of these by tapping on the three dots next to it and select settings, and then choose other settings. And right down the bottom, we have auto complete with trending searches. So deselect that. And if we go back, choose it again, we can now see the trending searches have gone. Unfortunately, if you do clear your history, they will come back. So just as a normal before, so you just tap on the search box, type in your search term. So it's not quite the same as you had before, but it's a decent temporary fix. So hopefully that helps you, and I'm sure Firefox or Google will fix the problem in the coming days or weeks. And if you want to uninstall this particular add-on, just go to the top corner again, tap on the three dots. And then from there, you can select add-ons, and you can choose add-ons manager. And from the list, you can see the Google Search Fixer. Just tap on it, and you can either disable it, or you can completely remove it by tapping remove, and so on. So hopefully that helps you for the time being. Thanks for watching.